Good day everyone, this is Nikki Grace Miranda from BSc E3D. So in this video, we are going to discuss a topic for dynamics body, the absolute motion. So absolute motion is the translation of a body from one absolute place into another. So for better understanding, we have here an example. A wheel of radius r rolls on a flat surface without slipping. Determine 8. The angular motion of the wheel in terms of the linear motion of its center O. B. The acceleration of a point on the rim of the wheel as the point comes into contact with the surface on which the wheel rolls. So this is the figure for our problem. So sabi sa problem, yung wheel natin is nagro-roll papunta sa kanan from original broken line. So ito yung original position niya, yung circle written using the broken line. So the second circle is the final position. So here is the point O or yung center niya. Then when the wheel rolls to the right, nag-move din yung center niya. So meron tayo ditong O. Then, pag nag-move siya to the right, magkakaroon tayo ng O'. So, eto na yon, O'. Then, yung point C natin is, eto yung original position niya. Then, after mag-move nung wheel is, eto na yung second position niya. So, nagkaroon tayo ngayon ng C'. So, itong line na to, itong S natin is yung distance or yung displacement nung wheel natin. And because of the movement of the wheel, nagkaroon tayo ngayon ng angle which is measured from the vertical direction. So, without slipping, yung arc C'(A) natin must be equals to distance S, eto nga yun, or yung displacement natin. So, displacement relationship and its two-time derivative, given yung nauna nating topic na discuss sa mga una nating topic na rotational motion, magkakaroon tayo ng equation na S is equals to R theta, initial velocity is equals to R omega, equals din siya sa S prime, and yung initial acceleration na equals sa R alpha, which is equals to double prime. So, eto na yung sagot natin for letter A na ang hinahanap ay angular motion of the wheel in the terms of the linear motion of its center O. So, yung mga answers na makukuha natin is puro variable lang since wala naman tayong given na value. So, for letter B, the acceleration of a point on the rim of the wheel as the point comes into contact with the surface on which the wheel rolls. So, for x coordinate, since wala nga tayong value dito sa problem natin na to, yung makukuha nating answer is in terms of variable pa rin. So, x is equals to S minus R sine theta, which is yung S natin is equals din sa R theta. So, i-rewrite natin siya. X is equals to R theta minus sine theta. So, i-differentiate natin siya. So, x prime is equals to, yung pag-differentiate guys, sigurado naman na alam nyo na yon since natakil na yon sa previous engineering subjects natin. So, x prime is equals to R theta prime 1 minus cosine theta. So, yung R theta prime is equals to R omega, kaya i-rewrite ulit natin siya. X prime is equals to initial velocity times 1 minus cosine theta. So, for the second derivative, x double prime is equals to v sub o prime 1 minus cosine theta plus v sub o theta prime sine theta. So, yung v sub o prime is equal siya sa initial acceleration. So, rewrite ulit natin siya. X double prime is equals to A sub O 1 minus cosine theta plus R omega squared sine theta. So, eto na yung para sa x coordinate natin. So, for y coordinates, we have y is equals to r minus r cosine theta. So, rewrite lang natin siya. If factor out ko lang yung r, y is equals to r times 1 minus cosine theta. So, for the first derivative, y prime is equals to r theta prime sine theta. So, rewrite lang natin siya since ito ay equal sa v sub o. So, y prime is equals to v sub o sine theta. So, for second derivative, y double prime is equals to v sub o prime sine theta plus v sub o theta prime cosine theta. So, rewrite lang natin siya since itong v sub o prime is equal siya sa initial acceleration. So, y double prime is equals to ao sine theta plus, rewrite lang ulit natin to since equal naman siya sa r omega squared cosine theta. So, eto na yung para sa y coordinates natin. So, for the deciding instant of contact, when theta is equals to 0, x double prime will be equals to 0. Then, y double prime is equals to r omega squared. So, eto na yung magiging answer natin for letter B. The acceleration of point C natin on the rim at the instant of contact with the ground depends only on r and omega and directed towards the center of the wheel. So, take note na pag yung wheel is nag-slip habang gumugulong, yung relationship is not valid.